What's up YouTube, Pat the Car Guy here, OregonCarSource.com, coming at you with another walk around video on this beautiful Mazda behind me. This one is kind of our most popular, I would say, value proposition. This is a 2024 cx5 Carbon Edition. So this is the third step up in our trim levels: Select, Preferred, now Carbon Edition. What you're going to get with the Carbon Edition is these black 19-inch alloy wheels, exclusive color options such as this POLYMETAL, black accents like the mirror caps, red stitching with black leather or red leather is another option as well. Other things you're going to get with the Carbon Edition is the Bose stereo system, additional speakers. You are going to get that memory seating and the power liftgate like our Preferred package. Power rear liftgate just like the Preferred package. Leather seating throughout, privacy glass of course. This one's coming with the carpet floor mats. Beautiful car, great price point on this one. This one is coming in at $33,900. As you know, if you've been following the channel for a while, I'm a Toyota guy, so this would be comparable to about a $40,000 MSRP RAV4. Also, important to point out, right now I've got 0% financing available to well-qualified buyers on a new 24 CX5. Compared to no incentivized interest rates on a new Toyota. The Toyota's great, but these Mazda CX5s definitely giving you a little bit more value, especially with the 0% going on. Feel free to give me a call, send me a text, go to the website, hit me up through there, or come on down to Mazda Gladstone, 503-875-5938, or go to OregonCarSource.com. Have a great day.